You want to get yourself a husband, don't you? A great one at that. Oh, you don't? Then why are you here reading this? Doubtless, there are lots of articles out there that teach how to attract a husband using the law of attraction. That tells me one thing: this must be something a lot of women have been asking themselves. So I thought I'd pitch in with my own 2 bits. By the way, feel free to adopt the steps here, if you're looking for a wife as well. The beautiful thing about the universe is it doesn't have different laws for each gender. The law of attraction will work just as well. Without further ado, let's get into this. How to attract a husband using the law of attraction 1. Look to yourself. Most people looking for help on this are looking for ways to manipulate someone's will into marrying them. Let me just say right off the bat, if this is you, you're either not going to get results, or you're not going to get results you like. Understand that it's not about them, it's about you. It's not about what's outside, but what's inside. So start with you. What do you want in a marriage? How would you feel being the marriage of your dreams? What's it like for you? Lock in on those answers. They're important. If you want to know how to attract a husband using the law of attraction, then you absolutely must remember to focus on you. Like attracts like, and what you put out is what you get back. So take a moment to feel what it would be like. As you do, those feelings radiate outwardly, and start to put the law to work for you. 2. Let go of WHO. You know that one guy you want? Yeah, the tall one, with the dark hair, darker mystical eyes. The one you've been dreaming about every night since you met? The one you're going nuts over? Yeah. That one. Let him go. You're probably thinking, wait, what? I'm supposed to let go of this Hollywood hunk I want to have babies with? Yes. This ties in strongly with step 1, but there's more. The person you want might not be who you think you want. Or, better yet, there's someone better for you. So you need to stop obsessing over the who. Trust me. I met my husband when I stopped obsessing over this one friend I had. I swore he was my soulmate. One day, after getting sick and tired of being alone, tired of waiting and hoping, I decided I'd focus on me. Just love myself. I decided then and there to let go of my obsession and wishing, and just have fun and live. I told myself sooner or later, love would work out for me, but in the meantime, I'd live. Only about a week after I made that decision, I met the love of my life, Alex. It realized I had to let go for that to happen. Just so happens he's a mix of all the best parts of my exes, and then some. 3. Use your imagination. So, you've made it about you, and you've let go of the who. You know how it would feel to be a happily married woman. Next, you have to use the wonderful gift that is your imagination. You should do the following exercise first thing in the morning, while you're still in between sleep and wakefulness, and last thing at night. You can also find time during the day to do this. How to use your imagination to attract the man of your dreams. First, get relaxed and comfortable in a recliner or on a bed. Hold up a hand so you know if you're drifting off to sleep. Now you can imagine any scene that implies you've attracted the husband of your dreams. Make sure in your imagination, you don't see your body like you're watching a movie. See it like you're acting in the movie. For example, don't see yourself in a car. Instead, see your hands on the wheel of the car, and the road out in front of you. Act it out in your mind, in first person. Make it a short scene. You can repeat it as often as you like. Know that your imagination is real, so experience it as though it were happening now and here, not later and there. Feel the emotions. Here are a few examples of scenes you can choose from. You're coming down the stairs and your lover is at the bottom, staring up at you with so much love. He's putting a ring on your finger at your wedding. Your eyes are focused solely on his hands sliding the ring on. You're both standing on the shore of a beach. When you look down, you see your shadow, and his shadow beside it. You feel happy and on top of the world. See your hand reach out and interlock with his, while he drives. You don't need to see his face. Just enjoy the feeling of holding his warm hand. Imagine a dear friend or family member embracing you, and saying something like, "You guys are wonderful together," or "Congratulations on your 10th anniversary." Pretty sure you get the idea by now. Just pick a scene that could only happen when you're happily married. What now? Did you just ask that? It's done. That is what's now. Everything you imagine is done. You may not always remember when you imagined whatever situation you're experiencing. But one thing is sure, you imagined it. If you're asked if there's someone in your life, this doesn't mean you should lie about it, because you're trying to stay positive. If a blind guy asked you if the sun was out, and it's actually night, would you say it's out? No. It's not. But remember, just because the sun isn't tonight, doesn't mean there'll be no morning. So you naturally expect the sun. The world outside is born from within. You've heard that saying, as within, so without. As above, so below. If the outside is going to change, it starts from inside you. Through the power of your imagination, working with the law of attraction. Stay in the feeling of happily married, loving and loved wife. Live from there. If you get bumped out of the feeling, don't beat yourself up. Just come back in, and bask in it. Enjoy being with him in your imagination, and when he comes around, believe me, you get to enjoy being with him again. In the flesh. You can select plan below, http://bit.ly/beliefs-law of attraction. I attached link below description. And follow it. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more, or share to help more people. Thank you so much.